Hey guys, this is Koàn-seng. Today we're gonna talk about one of my favorite foods, Óaⁿ-kóe. Óaⁿ-kóe, as known as Taiwanese savory rice pudding, is made of rice flour. A classic Óaⁿ-kóe would also contain pork, mushroom, and sometimes dried radish or egg yolk. In our language, Óaⁿ means bowl and kóe means steamed rice flour stuff. Yeah, besides Óaⁿ-kóe, there's also hun-kóe, hot-kóe, tawa-kóe, ang-kóe. I would say it's pretty incredible. As you might have already guessed, Óaⁿ-kóe is always served in bowls. Actually, they're even steamed in bowls. Steamed rice flour always come with a nice chewy texture. In Taiwanese Hokkien, my language, there's even a word for the texture, khiū. If you want to express the nice chewy texture, you may say, "Oh, so cute," or "khiū-tê-tê." If you have ever had bubble tea, which is a great invention from my homeland, the bubbles, also known as boba or pearls, has a similar type of texture. So we can also use the same expression, "Oh, khiū-tê-tê," on those tapioca pearls. Okay, back to the topic. Óaⁿ-kóe goes with soy sauce. Soy sauce is a super common sauce in Asia. In Hokkien, soy sauce is called dao-yu. Dao-yu. The word dao means beans, while yu means oil. Yeah, soy sauce is some oily sauce made out of soybeans, so the name makes sense. If you want to try Óaⁿ-kóe, make sure you get them in Taiwan. Most of the Taiwanese food are just better in the southern Taiwan. Taipei is just more expensive but not necessarily good. That's all for today. Please subscribe so you are not missing any of my vids or streams. Feel free to comment if you have any thoughts, any questions are welcomed. This is Koàn-seng. Stay incredible and see you in my next video.